My name is Aman Rathaur, currently pursuing BTech from Sundardeep Engineering College. I am delighted that I am getting here to present a session of AI. Today's we talk about the topic scaling AI solutions with Azure infrastructures, leveraging Azure for efficient and scalable AI deployments. Firstly, give an introduction about AI. What is AI? AI is the ability of machines, especially computers, to perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence. That includes learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. The overview of it, the critical role of AI in modern businesses, challenges of scaling AI solutions, how Azure infrastructure can help. Our agenda for today's Azure AI Services Overview, Data Management in Azure, Ensuring Scalability and Performance, Security and Compliance, Monitoring and Management, Deployment Strategies, Networking, Best Practices. And the first is Azure AI Services Overview. That is Azure Machine Learning. What is Azure Machine Learning? And this is end-to-end solution for building, training, and deploying machines learning models. And second is Azure Databricks, Apache Spark-based analytics platform optimized for Azure. Azure Cognitive Services, pre-built APIs that enables applications to see, hear, speak, understand, and decision-making capabilities. And the fourth is some key services include computer vision, text analytics, and speech. Fifth is Azure Synapses Analytics for large-scale data warehousing and analytics. The next is data management in Azure. There are four data management techniques. First is Azure Data Lake Storage, scalable and secure storage for big data analytics. Second is Azure SQL Database and Cosmos Database. Managed database for relational and NoSQL data. Third is Azure Blob Storage, storing large amounts of unstructured data. And for this Azure Databricks, Apache Spark-based analytics platform optimized for Azure, enabling big data analytics and workloads. And the next is security and compliance. Azure Directory manage user identities and access. And the second, Azure Security Center, that is advanced threat protection across Azure resources. Third is network security, managed cloud-based network security services to protect Azure virtual network resources. And the fourth, compliance certifications. Azure meets a broad set of international and industry-specific compliance standards. Next is ensuring scalability and performance. Auto scaling. What is auto scaling? That is automatically adjust resources to handle varying loads. Auto scaling means automatically adjust the resources to handle varying loads. And the second is distributed computing. That includes leverage distributing system for handling large data set and complex computations. And third, seizing. Use Azure Seize for Redis to improve performance by seizing frequently accessed data. The next is monitoring and management. Azure Monitor, full stack monitoring, advanced analytics, and intelligent insights. We should monitor all of that. Next is Azure Cost Management and Billing. In this, we track and optimize cloud spendings. The next is deployment strategies. DevOps practices implement CI/CD pipelines using Azure DevOps or GitHub Actions for automated testing and deployment. Next is infrastructure as code. Use ARM templates, Terraform, or Bicep for automated provision of resources. These are the deployment strategies. And this is networking. The first is virtual networks, VNets. securely connecting Azure resources. Second is Azure Express through private dedicated connections to Azure data centers. The third is load balancers, distributed incoming traffic, network traffic using Azure load balancer or application gateways. Then next is best practices about AI scaling. Summary of key takeaways. Choose the right Azure service for your AI needs. Ensure robust data management. It is very important to ensure about data management. Leverage auto-scaling and distributed computing. Prioritize security and compliance. Implement effective monitoring and management strategies. These are the some practices of AI scaling. The next is conclusion. Recap of main points. Importance of AI scaling includes that is improves the efficiency and effectiveness of AI system and also facilitate their integration into existing business processes, ultimately leading to increased competitiveness. The second is it involves expanding the use of machine learning and AI algorithm to perform day-to-day tasks efficiently and effectively, matching the pace of business demands. Lastly, thank you. This is about some topics about AI scaling with infrastructures. AI 900 certification. Let's see the overview of this. This certification is an opportunity for you to demonstrate knowledge of machine learning and AI concepts and related Microsoft Azure services. As a candidate for this certification, you should have familiarities with the self-paced or instructor-led learning materials. This certification is intended for you if you have both technical and non-technical backgrounds. Data science and software engineering experience are not required. However, you would benefit from having awareness of basic cloud concepts, client-server applications. You can use Azure AI fundamentals to prepare for other Azure role-based certifications like Azure Data Scientist Associate or Azure AI Engineers Associate, but it's not a prerequisite for any of them. You may be eligible for a CE college credit to pass the certification. Skill measured describe artificial intelligence workloads and considerations. Describe fundamentals, principles of machine learning on Azure, describing features of computer vision workloads on Azure, describe features on NLP, describe features of generative AI workloads. That's all about A900. That's all from my side about Azure AI scaling.